ambiguous loss and the disenfranchised grief. On America say, Midjan, Ugamba, Major, Wachi Ugamba, I in the funeral. I am a ya, will be paid to wear. Nay, you na pet there, but I was for disenfranchised grief. El hopper, a dear wood pa, a catcher say, cassette lost in the griever. A love that has not found a rest and a place. If you say, Ubia or Dubia Ubiano, or don't find a place and a rest in something or someone. And since I didn't know, and as anybody knew her, now I say, oh, don't know, a baby and rest. Love must rest on something or someone. That's the nature of love. As I say, a gina biso, and not arrested in something. And the person, fire cost in them per se, a brain per se, gina stages now, or church stages no, obifa, lost more, a day. And the ya isi fire go.
I'm in my telephone in Archie. Na obi follows more. We have the psychology of grief once. Na send our dream, wakuma bibia, or body no etekifa. Na psychiatrist be a near friend no Kubler-Ross. I know ya mammy be a ocean, no ocean crofa. Omanya terminal illness, omanya yarea, ediomuku womb into your show, most no more behavior, sena unim se ube wunu, sena no muteki at the NFA. And I see and kumuna yedini, bet maka say, loss of your life, no, a threat and canade about moso. Into the first thing on who and say, omu denial, that's the first stage. And it's our idea, I can say, Kubler-Ross 5 stages of grief.
Okay.
The first one is a denial. Hey, and na kusuya say enyano kre. Wada.
I didn't see.
I didn't see it, Debbie. It cannot be me. Na ya ma cancer diagnosis say when you're stage 4 maybe diagnosis. Now be say oh no. It cannot be possible. And paibo me boya sorry I me kwe. Cancer means na me body mu. So that's the first thing. Into a back as a shock. And they deny that no, this can't be real. That's the first thing. A tongue crofile. Say maybe ya kase udofu bia onene kasa anope ya obisi yes we go adwuma wa collapse so there be agrobin or moody. So that's the first stage. Of we denial wa na another says your friend anger. Na fi de before them. What happened? I didn't know. So God did not see that this was happening. My only child. I didn't know also me baba akupeu. Inti mpaiba me boy in na for interview. He said me nya opportunity. Opportunity na reme. Afede na ubuefu nyame. Anaso ubuefu maybe obia obenwa. I saw so the blame no. Etu obi so. Inti anger so eba inti obi grievia. Na oh baby na unsa say ni buefu na on kasa obi anho as o stage and no so ya another stage a chest oni pa kono e grievy and another stage so Kubler-Ross e ma ye hu ye e bargaining
okay
e ho ni say I say wo tina say ana enka me ye say anka we nsi ana me didi here enka maybe yare ya etu mi nka masa o ana me bei se me na nkasa sanka won fifio ana mi kunu nka me ya minya bote kakra enka wanye so but obi wo ha onye ne hwe so beti medi hwamo
right
enti bargaining no oni ba kono nti ase de nti ade ne den atu no enti de bia if only what if no bisa no ho maybe se meni mi kunu anya sa nto kwa we
just on no kasa
se ka nyama we if kwa nka we ensi and no so ya another stage that we call depression na video ni ba kono ra sadness ma fidie areho odi wa yebasa osu untmina na sa stage no ti deep sadness wa twene ho afini pa ho odi abobo eno susi afedi no about the 5th stage na friend acceptance no
okay
I would do that stage na just say okay enye siewie mi kunu no wajai me madam fu no we betray me
I
didn't lose scholarship menya ntisisi ameye den afei na wo gye atum say indeed no when ya opportunity no indeed no nipa ko na gyae wo enti say na metimi esi ebu me brafa after say nyema we esi na kublaro stage no stages of grief no dem pese me kan ho eka fa ho ne say enye stage a eye fixed stage say I was so fi denial na wo call anger ehwema che say obi betimi start from bargaining ho no be say senka manye say ya enka we nsi and so nipa kwa number bedru stage a obeka say o de bia say mo de nya no kre enti enye chronological so free denial now call anger now call bargaining there be because if it's me fi baby eba because ye different obi are different any obi ane senia asem to na o face enti ye kasa nyema we na hu senia so obi lose bibia obetimi behave fa ben no nche say chinchina chi also free denial now about anger no about bargaining enti no ena me be say tie for sunya enti ase another psychologist be so a friend warden ono so my 4 tasks of mourning senia asem to obi a o city me edi ho arehofa na eno no any kublaros no different kakra enti ono no ohunu se obi ko ade bi mu a enyeme bi wo ho a wo se otimi ya eboa no na otimi fa sa loss ni mu na otimi kodu san bebe so a oni ba ko ne betimi ehun aton na se na nigie ene na ho fama sabe ne esabe bebio enti warden ka say 4 tasks no the first thing is say accept reality no
jitu musembri
jitu muse ade no esi
okay
jitu muse oba no afri mu
okay
jitu muse
adwuma no wahwere
adwuma no
jitu muse nipa na gyawo
nipa na ye obone enti sisia no enka so we dey see you esi
okay
the loss is real no crazy esi enti afei de den na meye enti unya accept first and so what me akọ second one no see process the pain asem na ato no enka say de nya hwe na wagya ato ye ka say name it my betrayed my disappointed enti then me feel disappointed let yourself feel the hurt ma wo emotions na eba no feel is emotions is asimasi ade ode ayemi de ayemi ya pa ayemi wama pa say me pa na se mo yesi enti process it and nam be pain no and avoid the pain no say o de nya hwe nso ye hwe rewo utimi nemi na hu say ade ayemi ya eboa o ma utimi say okay mo say usuhu na go to pain na eboa ma o let it go ntem dan say obe avoid it and as obeka say o de nyame kraye mu nso ade eye wo ya ona warden so so free hwa na adjust to life adjust to life ne say sisi ya wukunu ni hoi eden na obeye obenye obepa adwuma maybe adwuma na wo ye no emwa wo pa obepa adwuma foforo na anase first no oton nsuo o the drinks back kan wo say ne be ya usika no emu be ye dru ana adjust to the new world na routine sisi a wukunu ni wukunu afiri mu o sorry a obeda mpam sa the whole day na there be o sorry a okay me sorry a me yere me ho me ye adwuma me ye say me kwa sorry eniema a obeye fufura ebe boa o to adjust to new life no say ne be ya pain na we go to no sisi a first no ne friend Mrs. way sisi a wonya Mrs. bio your new identity then now obeye so you must adjust to the new life now find an enduring bond obe find a healthy place be an say dear well lose no udi bibi ye papa obe replace enti maybe wonya kunu fufuo at the meantime but umma anase wonua no mkrofo omo support wo no masa bond na wanya no anase nkrofo na omo bo a no eni omundi san kita ho a ebe boa wo na wetimi ayeden a manage your emotions and manage wo ho into who keep a healthy place for what was lost now who invest in the new life that is ahead of you Enti sisi ano eniema ahwe ode wo nya sa adwuma no sisi a den na obeye me hwehwe adwuma foforo me ni obi foforo be kasa oh na menya a new opportunity maybe na me dream say school nkwa na be boa me but sisi a me hu say oh me de me adwuma for about 2 years na me say maybe menya new experience a ebe boa me na me dey akọ eden a new place and you also accept the reality, process the pain, adjust it to new life, the new situation, now find an enduring bond. Now to say Kubla-Ross no ways so near the same.
Right.
Say we follow one step to the other.
Right.
Ube to me fee processing the pain. Now I adjusting new life.
Right.
Now accepting reality because I also designing my way in a bubra. Now wait me a koso. I live, you know, your life. And 2 taxes in a debe share ama abuanipa. And healthy grief, you know, yeah, what the dual process model.
Okay.
And ono che say, uwo, tibiemwa, usun, ukai, uyao. That is the loss-oriented phase.
Right.
And a restoration-oriented. Say, ushe kwai. Who take new steps, who adjust it. And you know, healthy grief, no, and non say, assembly to into won't feel pain. And no, I'm say it here for tears. Feel the pain, ube soon, ube kai say, kame pan and cafes, na me one day, na me jina me nine so, ene, and tisabio. But Sisia entesano, Sisia dena meti me, messa start here, jume bium. And Tisania ma weni nano. And who said there's a dual process. Anti healthy grieving oscillate just say who loss oriented in mukakra, now I by restoration in mukakra. Who one stage, now I call the next stage. Nini nano a good way who experiencing ya eden at all no now who to me eden a cop and a continuing bonds. Healing no say what far dear be more. Just a wunya a who tower na say what go to pay no. It doesn't mean say would the near man well let it go bibia. Who carry a dear no differently. Sisia no one who say what down free on your beer ubeti minino akawa sem deep in sem.
Okay.
And yes, maybe one in Casabium and on in Ayaka and I just say unu crano watching no derby. Only needing come Ushana or Yachia, but menino and num to say first no, send an aminam. So you are carrying a semness in a different way. So you carry your loved ones as semness into maybe ukunu e wuye. Say no si wuye no. Make I say as me see say Major Mahama enkofo na yakayaka de ekunu say no. Meaning say in the year no carrying a story ni say in a different way. The memorial ni ade nti eno na yefe the continuum boss no. You will cherish the moment only ni nyae. But o kai nipa no and I say o kai asem no in a good way. Nti to say Joyce Meyer story ni papa ye no adia na nka enye. And so see ordinary story no boa afofo. And that is the continuing bonds no. And how healthy grief no a movie from dual process. I was a TFM who say you can be in the loss oriented stage and then restoration no. So who su okay but who adjust it at the same time. And tinimi no can coexist. Nini na bet me at the same time. And then you continue or loss no say when we say yes, now no, me nyesue hunu bi from experience I mean and say, me family huni na emenipa.
Okay.
Me make room to be disappointed.
Right.
And yes, me ni nipa nam, me do nipa, me bu nipa, but me ni nipa nyam wanyansa kwan so. So that is a dual process model and the continuing bonds are a boa for healthy grieving.
Right. Over try the continuing bonds.
Continuing bonds is a healthy healing does not mean severing the relationship.
Okay.
Or letting go entirely.
Okay.
We carry our loved ones in a new way. Into telling their stories and honoring their traditions.
Okay.
Na medika kain.
Right.
Ukunu ewu bi wa lose bibi empofrim. Say now esuahu be na eden ubetimi ayede enye free sade we.
Right.
You will tell the story in a different way. You cherish the moments a oni onipa ko ni nyae.
Right.
But sisi a woka wasema ukma enkofo hu say this was what happened. But then na menya de insuehunu we na menya efrim. And then living out the values are onipa ko no instill wo.
Please tell us about what grief feels like. So we lose you there. How does it feel like?
Oh, uluzu bibia emotions na die ube filipa.
Okay.
You'll be sad.
Yeah.
You'll be angry.
Okay.
Sometimes you feel guilty.
Okay.
Anxiety.
Okay.
And I say, why? As I want to be feeling bibia. And sometimes even relief. Nini na cause at the same time.
Okay.
Sometimes before no to me basa na wa ye busa na chese hu ni awon nya hu.
Okay.
Ubetimi aye sad. Physically susu. Ubetimi aye just wa bre.
Abre.
Wakuma or chest e feel tight. Wakuma bo pripi.
Okay.
Sometimes untimi kwampo aduane kwa uni appetite obedidi kwampo.
Okay.
Nini na can grief na ho. Cognitively say wa dream no then na wo feeling.
That's right.
Wo disbelief che say untimi believe say hey asimesi na ewi. Na nya no kwa na eno ene ne kasa. Obi so ha ni we fi ade confusion. Nini na timi say behaviorally then na ni behavior che no osu watwe ne ho afini pa ho wa ye basa or avoid the pain no into aye ne bia ubisa na asem na on person obeka wansem or avoid the pain. Spiritually so onipa kono estati e de ebufuo e share ade na rade muni so ni e wo ho into date na wo se me ba etimi wu obi anka we university obestati adwuma yesi oda ye wan sorry obisa nyankopon questions afi de oni gidie biom doubt and na say the faith so sometimes so loss no so etimi ma onipa ko no enya gidie wo nyankopon mu mo enti grief no onipa ko enya bibisa na so ohre bibia emotions are affected physically so body are affected wa dream mu oni ye any spiritually impossible so unse there be
Affected. Wonderful.
Yes.